wizard.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're going to have a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So right now, Bitcoin has got a great move up, a real nice move up, all the way up to the previous week VWAP. We reclaimed the monthly VWAP. I actually took it long. I just closed it as we came up to the weekly VWAP. That's exactly the area I wanted to see. I took a couple of take profits right here. I think maybe it should be pulled up. Yep. I got in 106, 160. I'll show you why I got in, but I just closed it. That was my plan, and I stuck to it. I stuck to my plan, and that is key to trading. What was it, like a 10%? I only had by the end of the trade, by the end of the trade, I only had like 33 left in it because I took some profit here. I started with 100, but got a little 10% there. Got a little 10% on that, so that's pretty nice. And so we're coming up, and that previous weekly is acting as resistance at the moment. Looks like the VWAP is starting to get the curve down. I felt good the whole time. I took this trade because we claimed the monthly VWAP twice. We claimed it as support twice. Made sure it was support twice. Money flow was coming in, and then you had a hike in a Xi candle open. Like, I took it on this one. I took it as soon as this one opened somewhere right here because this one didn't have a wick down. That's what I love to see. VWAP was curving up the whole time. You could see the curve to the upside on the VWAP. And so I didn't panic. When we started seeing these little moves down, because that curve on Market Cipher VWAP, it told me the whole time, hey, we're just gonna skadoosh right back up. And so we did. And now we're looking at this previous week as resistance. We've already tapped it 3 times. The VWAP is starting to cut. Money flow is curving up. But on this 1 hour, we do have a red dot. I went ahead and closed the whole trade just because of the just how sharp everything is coming down right now. No real curve right here. I thought it was going to keep curving on this VWAP, but we are not. And now we are getting a red dot. I mean, it's still a pretty high momentum wave, and we could just not even come back down to the daily at like 106, my original entry almost. We could not even come down, just a little cool off, and then try to get past this weekly VWAP. But if we are going to go higher, obviously you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks to this weekly VWAP, and they've not succeeded at getting over it. So if we're going to continue higher, we need to get above 107.2. The 4 hour, see what she's doing. Money flow still coming up. This VWAP is very high, which means she has plenty of room to ebb and flow as we continue. We're getting a blue triangle on this 4 hour. And if we get a green dot on this next candle, that'd be a green dot underneath it, like you see here. Or is that the green dot under the candle? No. No good example there. Let's go back to the 10-minute. If we are gonna reject off this previous weekly and not get above it, I would expect us to come back down and retest our daily VWAP if we're not gonna continue higher. But that money flow is curving up. We still got plenty of room to run on these momentum waves. Daily is also getting ready. By the end of the day, we could see a green dot starting to print and confirm. He's shooting straight up. Money flow is also curving to the upside here on this daily as well. And we'll finish it off on the weekly. Weekly is still curving to the upside. Money flow is trying to get higher than these previous highs we've seen on it. She doesn't have that far to go to start breaking some of these previous highs and maybe continue higher. But these are the levels I am watching today. I might re-enter along. Back up to some of these Fibonacci levels here. If we can reclaim this previous weekly, I would be looking. See, these would be scalps right now. These would be scalps if I was to take it. Yeah, until we get above this 107, they would be scalps, and then I'd wait for them to try to hit this 109 area if we were going to continue bullish today. If not, then I would be looking for levels. After this, I'm not thinking about shorting right now. I'm not. You could I could try to short back down to the daily, but really with the money flow curving up, all these green dots, we're pumping right now. So that's what you're looking for, is the correction. You're looking for the correction to take a long, or that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. So if we are gonna reject off this previous weekly VWAP, I would expect the daily to hold us at 106.2. If not, then of course we have the previous day of the monthly VWAP down here at 105. We'll call it 7. So y'all have a great day. These are the levels I'm watching. God bless everyone. I'm out.